flexing, nigga, get out in line, get checked, nigga. Infrared beam straight through your neck, no head, nigga. For my bread, nigga, I don't play. Bitch, I'm trying to stack chips like Frito-Lay. And your bitch on my dick, nigga, you gon' hate. Bitch, that chopper go nuts, but it ain't gay. You can run, duck, and hide, but you still ain't safe. And when that 40 lick shots to rearrange your face. Bitch, I'm stacking my bread, so I caught me a Miracle Whip. And my whole team shitting this year. You can hate if you want, but this cake gon' get to know niggas. They said I was broke, so I guess I gotta show niggas. If money on the line, then I'm coming to the show, nigga. I'm ballin' off Kush, but that blow I really know, nigga. Yo bitch ain't shit, so I gotta let you know, nigga. If you ain't got my number, ask your hoe, I bet she know, nigga. Cash on deck, so a nigga feelin' reckless. And when I'm in that foreign thing, bitches get naked. I'll tag my man's in, we'll leave that bitch breathless. My bro said her head good, so I protested. I want my family good when the nigga up in heaven. That's why I stay on niggas' nerves just like a peasant. You ride with me, baby, we gon' have a big session. And I don't even drink, but here's a bottle for your stress. It's money to be made, my nigga, and I'm gon' give me some. A product of the slums, my nigga, that's why they keep me numb. You better get some money, my nigga, stop being broke and dumb. Depending on a broke ass bitch that only wanna come. But yeah, I still be fucking these stocks, why will I lie to you? I ain't been broke for a minute, so they depend on who. Bitches found life on everything, I only keep it true. Plus a DBM and hard head, then my niggas times was hard.
My best friend, he a shooter, 17 but be fooling. Bitch, I stay crispy and your bitch stay choosing. My circle real small cause these niggas is elusive and I don't give a fuck, nigga. It's a few niggas I fool with. True shit, I don't really like to get stupid, but when it's time to ride, I know a few niggas that shooters. You better get your bread up, cause bitches out here choosing. They'll leave your ass stuck like some crazy glue and wood chip. You do a lot of talking, me, I call that shit the loose lip. And if it's about money, then we moving like a cruise ship. You put me in the studio and really go abuse it. On top, getting mines, cause a broke nigga is useless. Big chum in 80s, baby, crazy like my mama made me. In that era, niggas came deep like the fucking Navy. Shit, I been through the same shit that made me. Now nigga on top, so you hating niggas hate. East side where I reside, fam residential. If money could talk, I'll be his kinfolk. FAM, everybody plus them know. When we come around, turn your bitches to an info. Niggas talking like they know me, I ain't your kinfolk. Niggas talking that whip game, but being rental. I'ma keep it real though, we about that bread, bro. Money stacked up to the ceiling, I know some stairs, ho. Every time I see pros, this shit incredible. So I stay on my toes to stay heavy. The type of shit that we do ain't no comparison to the type of hoes that we fuck. I probably spill them. Niggas try to dip in my bag, I would get rid of it. 30 with the extra long clip, leave you hospital. Count about 1,000 a day, that's just the ritual. Learn how to get your own cash, you niggas piddle. All I do is
bitch, I'm ballin' hard, nigga, you can call me Rondo. Let my dough bake, now the bread coming by the loaf. 501 jeans in my pockets on overload. I'm trying to cop a law over the lake with a fish flow. And yeah, I'm from the jungle where the lions and the bears go. And if you can't swim in the water, then your ass gon' choke. And if you don't wanna choke, then your ass better try to float. But if you can't float, then your ass better find a boat. Bitches lose on with the best fucking crud so. Ask my nigga Gutter, he'll tell you where the crud so. Now it's fam life plus hard head equals crud gang. Now I'm on the block with that Kush doing drug thing. I got some young niggas that finesse, they finesse gang. We the triple threat like Miami when LeBron came. But I'm Detroit with an east side nigga slang. Rep for block huggers, that's a Detroit nigga thing. I said, for being broke, yeah, I'm tired of not having shit. So I stay working cause I really wanna stop this bitch. Money is a habit, by all means, I'ma get this shit and ride with my team with my niggas on that killing shit. The game is to be sold, not told, that's some real shit. I learned from my OG niggas, now I'm getting it. I'm about to cop a mirror on some sixes, that's some shitting shit. You gon' stand and look like them niggas really shitting, bitch. I'm Detroit's finest in the city, about the witnesses. Whole team shitting cause my niggas really getting it. Broke shit no more, and I don't even visit it. But if your bitch on my dick, I put her on the visit list. My life full of sex appeal, yours at a standstill. Mad with the connect, so you know I'm getting banned still. Fuck up the connect, fuck around and get your band killed. Found in the lake or dead in the landfill. Been around money, so I know how them bands feel. Diamonds around my neck to let you know I'm getting bands for real. Killers on my team come exactly to where you live. Duct tape you and throw your bitch in the trash field. My brother got indicted out of state with them E pills. Gave him 13 cause my nigga tried to eat for real. Free my nigga K cause with him I ain't miss a meal. Now my nigga gone, so how the fuck you think I feel for real? Diamonds is a man's best friend, so why I fucking kill any nigga try to take mine? That's just how I feel.
Hill, reppin' for my Detroit niggas, and all my niggas kill, reppin' for my fam life niggas, cause all my niggas real.
They say I never learn shit, cause I always cut class. Now them same motherfuckers, I can't see them with my past. Yeah, I did some dumb shit that relates to my past. The connect gave me a brick and I ain't even pay them back. But I learned from my past mistakes. Shit, I'm trying to get some cake, bitch. I'm on the block, trying to turn a crumb into some way. My cousin strapping nuts on. Boy, let's hit the interstate. Shit, I'm trying to get some cheese, so I'm trying to fill a steak. Boy, I'm trying to get it in, cause I wanna cop that Benz. Flex on my old hoes, nigga, that love out the gym. Yeah, they stopped believing in me, but I stayed in the gym. Perfected my shot, now my team in the championship. Yeah, I'm from the slums, I ain't really never had shit. So everything I get, hell yeah, I'ma cherish it. We ain't getting money, shit, you niggas is hilarious. And while y'all smoking on the red, you smoking on that